Animals survive better than us. We have abused our intuitive intelligence. We've taken our intelligence and put it in softwares and apps, and we depend on softwares and apps even to tell us what time is it, when to eat, when to drink, when to go to the bathroom, when to drink water. People have reminders for drinking
Reminders
water.
for drinking water also. Reminder for standing up also.
Which is so sad, huh?
POV with Anu.
ये जो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है वो ज्यादा स्पिरिचुअल और कहाँ से हम शुरू हुए हैं
Yes.
उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए probably you're designing diets and conversations around gut health, क्योंकि gut का मतलब सिर्फ इतना नहीं है कि ये आपके bodily organs हैं, बट इसका मतलब ये भी है कि ये आपके कहीं ना कहीं आपके कर्मा, आपके स्पिरिचुअल, आपके मेंटल एंगल्स से रिलेटेड हैं. सो दैट ब्रिंग्स मी टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, गट फीलिंग.
I was hoping you'd ask me that.
हाँ.
Intuition gut से आता है. You have this gut feeling कि यार ऐसा करना चाहिए वैसा नहीं. So say you're in a business meeting. Okay, and the business owner could be like just a 12th pass, like not a graduate person, and he's sitting with this Harvard qualified or a Stanford qualified person, and on the other side a very creative artist. And this Harvard person is saying, I have a brain feeling this idea will work, sir. We should go ahead with this strategy. And the other guy says, sir, I have a heart feeling, हमको ये वाला strategy use करना चाहिए. And the business owner is not going to listen to this highly qualified person or the other person who's very creative. The business owner will say, I have a gut feeling, this idea and that idea is not going to work. That one is going to work. And the business owner is always right with his gut feeling. Now, that is a business explanation. आप जंगल में फंसे हुए हो.
जी.
आपको बाहर निकलना है. Nature has designed you for survival.
Correct.
Nature has put a GPS system inside your body
आपके अंदर ही.
that doesn't say left, right. That GPS system like you have in your laptop and computers and your car and your phone, which tells you which direction to go, वैसे ही आपके बॉडी में एक natural intuitive intelligence या software डाला गया है. This is the hardware. Okay, eyes, nose, ears, mouth. This is all external hardware to consume information, है ना?
Right.
The intuitive intelligence is a software designed for survival which teaches you which food to eat, which food to avoid.
Right.
हमने वो intuitive intelligence को destroy कर दिया है by eating a lot of wrong addictive foods. Intuition has got spoiled because there's a lot of toxic waste, heavy metals, unhealthy bacteria, undigested food, backed up poop sitting in your intestines on that intuition. Now, intuition is not a physical property that I can take out of my gut and say, अच्छा इसको मैंने clean करके वापस अंदर डाल दिया. Intuition exists in perfect harmony with your health. You have to be healthy to have intuition. Your gut has to be squeaky clean to have intuition. Now, squeaky clean का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप colon cleanse पे चले गए और 2 लीटर पानी डाल के आपने gut को, colon को clean कर दिया. A lot of people are doing this. Water cleanses, water enemas,
Yes.
aggressively. I'm sorry, I'm not a big fan. Enemas are very potent Ayurvedic treatments to remove the unhealthy bacteria and enhance the good bacteria. जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा water cleanse करते हो, the good and bad bacteria both got flushed out. Because your gut is irritated. See, your gut has a direct neuron or a neurosis that connects to the brain that sends messages every micromillion second.
Wow.
Okay, you have the vagus nerve, the largest of all the nervous system. It sends messages every micromillion second. So by the time I click my finger, my gut has already sent about 8 to 10 messages to my brain on whether it's feeling happy or not. Now, let me tell you, when you feel anxious, scared, excited.
Vibe बोलते हैं जिस चीज को कि मुझे vibe नहीं आ रही है यहाँ पे. तो
Where is that coming from? Your gut is a natural mechanism, a survival mechanism that is detecting energy and responding to energies.
Right.
Animals have it. वो सूंघते रहते हैं and they will never eat something that's poisonous. You put poisonous food in front of them. They
नहीं
will sniff
खाएंगे.
it. They will not eat it. Their gut, their intuition, their natural intuitive intelligence or the software designed for survival has told them, stay away from it.
Wow.
Animals survive better than us. We have abused our intuitive intelligence. We've taken our intelligence and put it in softwares and apps, and we depend on softwares and apps even to tell us what time is it, when to eat, when to drink, when to go to the bathroom, when to drink water. People have reminders for drinking
Reminders
water.
for drinking water also. Reminder for standing up also.
Which is so sad, huh? I get reminders for buying snacks from this app. I was like, I'm sorry, this app is going to go out of my phone.
Are you
It was supposed to be a
missing us?
delivery app.
Yes,
and it's
it's a
reminding me
delivery
at
app.
7 o'clock, it's time to get some snacks. And I was like,
Wow.
basically slowly poisoned me to and give me addictive food so that I come back again and again and become a repeat customer and give you more profit.
Okay, Doc, tell me something. So, working women, for instance, I have a great affinity towards delivery apps. Since we are talking about delivery apps, every second day I order food from there, in the sense that not food which is cooked or a meal, but what I'm talking about is delivery apps for fresh vegetables or so-called fresh vegetables and fruit and everything. Because my kirana guy is available, but he tells me मैं 1 घंटे में भेजूंगा, और ये जो है ये 15 मिनट में मुझे
Instant
सब सामान
gratification.
लेके आ जाता है. और my cook comes in and she tells me, अरे आप ये यहाँ से मंगवा लो फटाफट, ये वाली चीज़ नहीं है, आज ये भाजी बनाना है तो आप ये चीज़ नहीं है, आप अभी मंगा लीजिए. Now it has made my life much simpler, because frankly I also go through the stress of not having the food in place for the cook to actually build it or for me to cook it.
Yeah.
So मुझे लगता है यार वो वाला स्ट्रेस तो बचा लूँ मैं, ये वाला भी स्ट्रेस खाओ, वो वाला भी स्ट्रेस खाओ, ये वाला स्ट्रेस कम खाते, ये कम से कम खाना, मतलब जो भी वेजिटेबल आ रहा है इट लुक्स क्वाइट फ्रेश, तो इससे खाना बनवा लेते हैं. बट इज दैट द राइट वे और इज इट ओके? आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. देखिए ये बात तो पक्की है कि अगर आप मुझे आज बताएंगी भी कि नहीं अनुरिता ये अच्छी चीज़ नहीं है, अनु ये नहीं करना है, पर तब भी मुझे पता है कि आई विल बी टेम्प्टेड टू कॉल फॉर दैट वन मार्ट डिलीवरी और वन कि भाई बता दो जल्दी से ले आओ.
You know, recently there was a scandal that this one particular food delivery company was flouting a lot of food regulations,
Right.
food safety regulations, and the food was found contaminated. There was no pest control. There was expired foods being sold. Delivery apps that promise instant delivery, their only goal is to instantly deliver whatever's
available
in front of them, whether it's an expired product or a toxic product or a healthy product. That's not the priority. Figure out what is important for you. Health, yeah, instant delivery. Health requires patience. The real luxury in life is not having just, lots of staff who can cook for you. The real luxury in life is being able to go to a farmer's market once a week to check the vegetables and fruits that you're going to be eating for the rest of the week. We work so hard and make so much money, not for the fancy brands that we wear or the, assets that we collect, which we, by the way, will not take with us when we die. It's for the basic survival of food, shelter, and security. Your security is done. Your shelter is done. Can you take out time for your basic survival, which is food? Now, for the first few years of my career, when I was very busy, just like you, and I said, I don't have time for this. So I had a chef who cleaned the house, who cooked food for me, and who cooked food in whatever way that was convenient for her. After I moved into my new home and I started carving out time for health, I started checking the fridge more often. I don't like foods being stored in the fridge.
Yeah,
and I realized,
same.
my previous chef was in the habit of making curries and, sauces and keeping it in the fridge for 3 days, 5 days.
मसाला बना के रख देते हैं.
Haan. So this is your quick fix initiatives. Don't fall for this. Once a week, take out an hour's time. It means that you'll not go out to dinner or lunch with your friend at least once a week. That any which ways, we're going out 3 to 5 times a week nowadays with our culture. We're eating out, we're going for movies, we're going for entertainment. We're constantly entertaining ourselves. Even a person with basic paycheck of 10,000, 12,000 per month is going out once a week with the family.
Correct.
So maybe you're going out 3 to 5 times a week. Okay. Can you cut down that one outing? Cancel that one and instead invest it in buying your own ingredients, your own vegetables and fruits, your own groceries and provisions. I do this now. And I have finally realized the real luxury in life is not the money in the bank or the wealth I'm creating or the business I'm scaling up. The real luxury in life is knowing that I'm eating clean, healthy, and I'm in charge of my health, and I know I'm not going to get sick tomorrow. Wow. That is a real luxury in life.
Okay, so now let's talk technical stuff. So ये बड़ी सारी हमने I am loving this conversation क्योंकि ये conversation actually आपको जीवन का पर्सपेक्टिव दे रही है और खाने से जीवन किस तरह से जुड़ा हुआ है उसका पर्सपेक्टिव आपने हमें दिया डॉक्टर. Very quickly, the technical things in life. So obviously we are progressing in health. Not everything is wrong. काफ़ी चीज़ें गलत हैं जैसे कि हमने बताया about हमने अभी बात की आपने बताया about somebody who actually choked on chia seeds or moringa powders and stuff like that. ये शायद चीज़ें गलत हैं.
Moringa powder is not wrong. Huh?
नहीं वो गलत नहीं है.
Don't have it in the water in the morning, rather put it in your sambar and dal, let it cook.
हाँ, correct.
Let it
तो
cook and then you eat it.
तब
Like,
उसे
just so that people
तब
know
उसे-
that, there's
exactly.
nothing wrong with it, but cooking enhances the properties of that food.
करेक्ट सो इफ इन केस मोरिंगा पाउडर आपको यूज भी करना है तो आपको मोरिंगा पाउडर क्यों यूज करना है ना, आप सींग लेके आइए और उसको यूज कीजिए, ड्रम स्टिक्स को यूज कीजिए, सेक्टा की सींग जिसको कहा जाता है यहाँ मुंबई में एटलीस्ट, वो यूज कीजिए एंड दैट इज द वन विच एक्चुअली गिव्स यू दैट मच न्यूट्रिशन. देयर इज नो नीड टू हैव, एंड इट्स नॉट रियली टेस्टी, आई हैव टेस्टेड इट. So very quickly, certain things which I will say, and you can say whether they are good or not. Like, the quick fix gut fixers these days which are coming in. Ki take our 15-day gut cleansing course. Is that good or not good?
I mean, look who you're doing it with, okay? I mean, is that person really an epitome of good health? Then fine, fair enough, do it. There's no harm in it, okay? Luckily, thanks to social media, we do have a new age of health coaches and nutritionists who are using that platform to educate their followers. And honestly, a lot of them are doing an excellent job, I must say, okay? I have seen some of the content that they're creating, some of the workshops they've been creating. They're very good. The initiative is good. The intention is good. And at a very nominal price, they just want you to become healthy. Okay, so there's no harm in doing that. But you can make some of these at home. Instead of going for these quick fix gut fixes that comes in packets.
Right.
Again, you're going back to packaged.
हाँ,
Again,
वही.
you're going back to something that has been made in a factory, not in the lap of Mother Nature.
Exactly.
Instead of that, look to educate yourself through workshops and seminars that teach you how to make your own recipes at home.
Correct.
Rather than someone who's selling their product to you. Okay. That's my intention. No matter how busy you are, you can take out at least an hour per day, even 30 minutes per day to cook your meals. Something for quick gut fix, you can just have cumin seeds, fennel seeds, coriander seeds, cardamom, carom seeds boiled in water. Your gut is fixed instantly.
अच्छा, तो cumin, जीरा,
Yeah. Fennel seeds, saunf.
सौंफ,
Coriander seeds is akadanya.
हाँ,
And you have cardamom, elaichi, and ajwain, a pinch of ajwain, which is carom seeds.
तो अगर आप इनको बॉईल करके पानी में
Filter करके पी लीजिए, आपका instant gut fix हो जाता है. So, like what I tell my patients is, take a liter of water. It's called CCFT. I've added 2 more ingredients to it. It's very famous. Take a liter of water, add 2 teaspoons jeera, 2 teaspoons saunf, 2 teaspoons coriander seeds, 2 cardamom, and a pinch of ajwain. Ajwain is very good for deworming.
जी,
उसको boil करके filter it and drink 1 cup before and after every meal.
राइट.
You're sorted, आपका gut fixed हो गया है.
बिफोर एंड आफ्टर एवरी मील.
30 minutes gap between your meal and that water. If you have acidity, take sabja seeds, soak it in water, drink it. If you have heaviness because you had a big meal, take lemon, squeeze it in water, add some grated ginger, drink it after.
द मील.
Yeah, that's called lemon ginger tea, but don't have the packet ones. That's releasing microplastics into your
For no
tea
reason.
and causing cancer and thyroid and other endocrine disruptions.
राइट.
So don't have these tea bags.
Correct.
Make a simple tea at home. So I'm not a fan of anything that is packaged and comes in a plastic bag.
या
और a
और उसका
plastic
कुछ
pouch.
समझ में भी नहीं आता है कि वो क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट इज इट डूइंग. मतलब आई ट्राइड इट बट इट डिड प्रेशियस लिटिल फॉर मी. बच्चों के लिए प्रीबायोटिक्स, प्रोबायोटिक्स, बच्चे या एडल्ट्स.
What is prebiotics? It's good bacteria that enhances your digestive flora.
Correct.
Have fruits twice a day. 8 in the
Oh.
morning, 4 in the evening. It's the best source of prebiotics. Number 2, probiotics. Have a glass of buttermilk or coconut buttermilk post lunch. You're sorted. Coconut buttermilk is such a simple recipe. It's just
Wow.
coconut milk with some jeera and pink salt, and you're sorted.
ओह, कोकोनट मिल्क विद पिंक जीरा और सॉल्ट. तो मतलब कोकोनट मिल्क को पी.
It's my favorite recipe.
बताइए.
You take desiccated coconut and add maybe 3 to 4 cups of water. Just blend it. And if you want to make it creamy, you can add a few drops of oil, pinch of salt, pinch of sugar to make it creamy. Strain it and keep it in the fridge in a glass bottle for 3 to 5 days. You can use it. On a daily basis, I just take that coconut milk in a glass. Add water if you want to, if it's too thick. Jeera, pink salt, chas masala if you have, coriander, or a fresh ghee ka tadka.
बस.
It's called soul curry in Goa.
Oh, I love soul curry.
It's so delicious. Why do you love it? Because your gut loves it. Why does the gut love it? Because it has all the good bacteria. Okay, coconut has a lot of good bacteria because it's live food that you're eating, right?
Correct.
Which doesn't require cooking, and you're not destroying any kind of nutrients in it, right? And you're putting some carbonative spices like jeera, pink salt, mustard seed, ghee ka tadka, curry leaves, coriander, cilantro. है ना? When you're putting these garnishings and all of that, that's your probiotic that you can have post meals. हम back in the day हर घर में छाछ मिलता था lunch
हाँ,
के बाद.
correct. हाँ.
अभी time नहीं है. And secondly, we don't have cruelty-free dairy.
Right.
That is free of pus and blood and hormones and estrogen. The FDA in the US, in fact, allows 5% animal pus in the dairy products.
Oh,
what is pus?
God.
Source of diseases. So because we don't have access to cruelty-free milk and cruelty-free dairy products, just go for coconut milk. What's the cruelty that they can do with coconut? Thank God that human beings cannot mess around with the coconuts because it's 20 feet above the ground.
हाँ, और उसका अपना packet
Right? It's got its own packaging. Thank God human beings can't mess with that.
Correct.
Even there, they've started taking coconut water and
Yeah,
packaging it,
and
and they
they
call
make
it
it in
pink
plastic.
coconut water.
Yeah, exactly.
And I'm sorry, that pink color is because that water is oxidized and has reacted and has become toxic for human
And it's of
consumption.
no use to you.
That's why it's pink in color. They're like, oh, the coconut water here in my country is pink in color. I was like, please abandon it. Do not touch it.
Wow. Role of white in gut health.
White.
क्या करता है? बुरा करता है? अच्छा करता है? या क्या ये बात सच है कि अगर आप ओवरवेट हैं तो आप सफेद चीजें निकाल दीजिए अपनी डाइट में से और बिल्कुल सब ठीक हो जाएगा?
So that was just done as an easy way to remember. Okay, let me tell you which white colored foods you need to avoid
हाँ जी.
for obesity or diabetes. Number one is wheat. Now, the brown wheat that you get, the emmer wheat that you get, the broken wheat that you get is full of fiber, very healthy.
ठीक है.
Broken wheat, दलिया जो हम खाते हैं, वो brown color का होता है.
ये खपली wheat क्या होता है?
Khapli wheat is emmer wheat, which is native to the Indian topographic region, which
Acha.
has not been messed around with by the big pharma and the big FMCG companies.
Okay.
The wheat that is commercially available is genetically modified, where the protein has been hardened, the gluten has been hardened so that it doesn't get attacked by pests. Back in the day, the wheat had a very thin layer of protein or gluten, which was easily infested by the insects and pests because it was a good source of protein. So to counteract the insect issue and the pest issue, they genetically modified it.
Oh.
Now that is one. GMO wheat is very bad and unhealthy. What is white wheat? The wheat that has been put into a factory, refined, and made so fine that it melts in your mouth,
हाँ.
like maida.
Cake सा made.
It has been ripped off the fiber. It has been ripped off the gluten and everything, whatever. All the protein and the nutrients are gone. The outer layer is gone, which is a little difficult to digest and break down. They've polished it and ground it into fine wheat, and they call it chakki kata, which is not chakki kata. Chakki kata is like literally coarse wheat.
हाँ, चक्की का आटा
It has a coarse
होता है.
texture. Now, the wheat that you're getting in the market is so soft and fine. It makes delicious rotis that melts in your mouth. But that wheat, when it comes into contact with water, has a thicker, gluey-like consistency. Have you seen the
It's
atta?
a stretchy आटा.
Very simple. You see it with your naked eye.
हाँ.
When you cook that, just put it behind a piece of paper and stick it on the wall for a few days. It will not come off.
A heap.
Now that gets stuck to your intestines for several days together.
My God.
Rotting, putrefying, releasing gases, and even the fresh fruits and vegetables you're eating is now getting stuck to that. So wheat, refined wheat, let me correct you, refined wheat and maida is unhealthy.
Refined
Chakki ka
wheat-
atta,
हाँ.
khapli atta, broken wheat, very healthy.
तो ये तो आप ये खा सकते हैं
Yes, you can.
और ये डायबिटिक्स भी खा सकते हैं.
Absolutely.
अच्छा.
Chakki ka atta, broken wheat has a coarser texture. And it's also slightly discolored. It's brown. It's not white.
Correct.
The refined wheat that you get in the market from the FMCG companies is white in color, tricking you into believing that it's pure, but it's actually the most unhealthy. So avoid that white, processed, refined wheat powder available in the market.
ठीक है, समझ गए.
Second, coming to rice. The natural rice that you get is brown, red, and black. Okay?
अच्छा, is it?
Yeah, naturally. Okay. The white rice that you get is also supposed to be a little discolored. It's called the parboiled Kerala rice, the red rice. It'll have a streak of red line or something.
Rajamudi rice.
That's natural, that's healthy. It's not entirely white. But if the rice has been sent into a factory for being packaged, they will polish it clean and get rid of all the outer layers. Now, nature has designed that food perfectly fine with a perfect balance of all the elements, carbs, proteins, and fiber that it needs, for it to be self-digestible. But you've stripped away some parts of it thinking that it's unnecessary. And you've taken away only one component. Now, that white rice has a higher... it basically has a higher sugar spike in your body. So for diabetes, we say avoid white rice. Have red, brown or black rice because it gets absorbed slowly. It doesn't give you a glucose spike.
Right.
Okay? White sugar, deadly, toxic,
उसके बारे में
addictive.
तो, हाँ, उसके बारे में तो दुनिया ने
Yes.
बता दिया है.
White refined salt. Again, it has been refined in a factory. So it causes
Correct.
leaky gut syndrome. It causes holes in your gut. It erodes your gut lining and the mucus. Instead, if you take pink salt, rock salt, Himalayan salt, okay? Instead of white sugar, you take jaggery, you take kari shakar, the crystal. That's better. Misri, okay? And again, make sure it's not, processed and refined in a factory. Then coming to your other white foods, these are the only white foods. Dairy, milk, dahi, paneer, cheese. If it has come from a factory where the cows are kept in a factory with machines attached to the udders and injected with hormones and steroids and antibiotics every day and forced to give birth every year, the uterus is ruptured, it's become cancerous, they're releasing diseases into that milk. So white is just an easy way to remember that these foods are not good for me if I'm trying to lose weight and become healthy.
Oh, right. तो ये तो समझ में आ गया कि white, सारा white खराब नहीं है.
Cabbage and cauliflower is white. Are you going to stop eating that? Cabbage and cauliflower is healthy, right?
Yes.
We say no to cabbage and cauliflower only for patients who have gynecological health issues like PCOS, PCOD, because, it's cruciferous and it becomes a
Cruciferous is
little
not
difficult.
good for them. Yeah.
Especially when your endocrine glands are compensated, like, thyroid. So cruciferous vegetables is a big no for them.
Yeah.
Right? Only in that case we say, please remove cabbage and cauliflower also from your diet. But for everybody else, it's healthy. So it's not white that is unhealthy, So I remember I said it in some interview that if you're trying to lose weight, stay away from all white foods is a great way to remember. Someone just took that one little part of that interview and then made it viral. And I was like, oh my God, it's so misunderstood, half-informed, half-cooked information. Listen to the whole interview always. Don't just fall for these viral reels.
करेक्ट. सुपर्ब. एक बहुत अच्छा प्लांट बेस्ड अगर ब्रेकफास्ट इंसान को करना हो, उसकी एक रेसिपी इफ यू कैन टेल मी.
See, porridge, हम हर कोई बना सकता है.
दलिया
Even a
बनाना
man
है.
or a woman, even a child can make it. In China, they have 5-year-old kids cooking their own breakfast in their mini kitchen, baby kitchen.
हाँ.
तो ओट्स को आप पानी में
हाँ.
कुक करते हो, बॉईल करते हो, उसमें थोड़ा नमक या चीनी, आपको सेवरी चाहिए, स्वीट चाहिए, ब्रेकफास्ट यू मेक इट. उसी तरह आपका हर तरीके का मिलेट पॉरेज बन सकता है. बाजरा लिया आपने आधा कप, 3 से 4 कप पानी में उबाला, अच्छे से उसको उबलने दीजिए, नमक डाला, नाश्ता बन गया. जवार ले लीजिए, पानी में उबाला, जवार के साथ आप कुछ और भी डाल सकते हो. देन ब्रोकन व्हीट लिया आपने, उसको दलिया कहते हैं, उसमें थोड़ी सी मूंग भी डाल दो, थोड़ी सी आधी मुट्ठी, बॉयल इट, एड सॉल्ट, डन. मक्खी ले लो, पानी में उबाला, नमक डाला, डन.
करेक्ट.
अमरंथ ले लो, सामा राइस ले लो, एनी मिलेट, ब्रोकन व्हीट, अमरंथ, सामा राइस कैन बी कुक्ड इनटू अ पॉरेज.
Right.
एज सिंपल एज दैट. आपको ठीक है सूजी का उपमा खाना है, व्हाट डिड यू डू? सूजी को सेका, पानी डाला, हरी मिर्च, नमक डाला, हो गया.
Right.
आपको पोहा खाना, रेड पोहा, दैट्स वेरी हेल्थी compared to white poha because it has not been stripped of the fiber. वो भी खा लीजिए आप वेजिटेबल्स डाल के. These are such easy quick fix breakfast. ये जो 2 minute वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, ये यहीं से आया है. इसको barely 2 to 5 minutes लगता है बनाने में and it keeps you satiated and happy for so long.
Fantastic. So 2 minutes noodles मत खाइए, 2 minutes नाश्ता खाइए. Absolutely endorsed and used and has been, personally recommended by Dr. Dimple Jagra. Thank you so much, Dr. Dimple Jagra, for being here. बहुत मजा आया, बहुत सारी conversation और बहुत सारी eye-opening, दिमाग-opening बातें की आपके साथ. Thank you so much for being here on Radio City.
Thank you for having me, and I hope people who are listening to this change at least one little thing about their life.
Absolutely.
Because the minute you change one habit, the destination changes forever.
Fantastic. सुना भाई, ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू याद रखिएगा. एक चीज बदलेंगे तो आपकी जो डेस्टिनेशन है, जहां आपने पहुंचना है, वो भी बदल जाएगा. So let's keep the maps alive and keep changing one thing so that we reach a better place. Thank you so much for watching. This was POV with me, Anu, on Radio City.
Radio City. Radio City. Radio City.
रेडियो सिटी रग रग में दौड़े सिटी